Fellow Toastmasters, I am pleased to have the occasion today to induct one new member into the Talks to Toastmasters Club. Individuals come to Toastmasters to improve their communication and leadership skills. We have the opportunity to help them achieve their goals. I ask our new member to stand at me at the lectern, and please withhold your applause until the ceremony is completed. And also I would like to ask her mentor to come up to the lectern as well. The mentor for this new member is Stacey Foster, Toastmaster Stacey Foster. Govern. Our collective obligation in the Toastmasters Club is to grow and improve ourselves and to share our knowledge and experience with fellow members. We ask you, our new member, to dedicate yourselves to personal growth, to share this gift with your fellow members, and to help keep this Toastmasters Club strong and dynamic. Please affirm the membership pledge. You can repeat after me. I govern. In the presence of my fellow members.
In the presence of my fellow members.
Of the Talks to Toastmasters Club.
Of the Talks to Toastmasters Club.
Make this firm obligation.
Make this firm obligation.
To attend meetings regularly.
To attend meetings regularly.
And prepare fully.
And prepare fully.
For each assignment.
For each assignment.
To apply myself to the program.
To apply myself to the program.
Outlined in the Toastmasters manuals.
Outlined in the Toastmasters manuals.
To participate actively in club activities.
To participate actively in club activities.
To evaluate others.
To evaluate others.
In a positive. Constructive manner. To build open. Friendly relationships. With my fellow members. And to bring other new members. Into the club. So that they can. Also gain. The benefits. Of Toastmasters. Will all club members please stand and repeat our club pledge to its new members? You can repeat after me as well. We the members. Of the Talks to Toastmasters Club. Pledge to support you. In your quest. For self-development. To provide you with. Positive. Helpful evaluations. To maintain a friendly. Supportive atmosphere. To give you opportunities. To help others. And to make your Toastmasters membership. A rewarding and fulfilling experience. I would like to ask her mentor to please pin on this pin on your mentee. At this time, I will hand